Are you looking for money? Well, there is an update on ground that can fetch you 200,000 naira from Opay this festive season. If you already have the Opay app on your phone, and you have signed up, and you have also surpassed the first KYC level 1, then 200,000 may be waiting for you this season. Opay has launched a simple program that will let you win 200,000 when you use the Opay, virtual or physical card to make payments. First thing first, you have to upgrade your account level from level 1. After that, you can then click on the card's icon located at the right bottom of the home page. Then, you can start creating your Opay virtual card. But in case you don't want a virtual card, you can swipe over to request for a physical debit card from Opay, which usually 3 to 4 days to arrive. After creating or getting your card, all you have to do is to make payments with your card over 10 times, and you'll stand a chance to win 200,000 naira. What are you waiting for? Hurry now, and make your money. That comes to the end of this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more updates and incredible tips. Thank you.